Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Monday, July 26, 2010, and like we do every night, it's time to look at the charts. Let's check it out. Okay, let's start off looking at the NASDAQ. This is the 6-month chart. Each candlestick is 1 day. And the conditions are pretty bearish. You've got basically overbought condition of the slow stocks. You've seen this before. Okay, we've seen this before. No big deal. It only goes to 100. It's currently at 97.36. You kind of get an idea of how high that is. And again, a major downtrend right here. And we're seeing a bounce. So a lot of these weaker bears are looking at this going, what do I do? Oh no, what do I do? I'm peeing myself. Look. You see this big old gap right here? Absolutely unsustainable. Whenever you see a gap, especially a large gap like this, it's not going to sustain it. It will fail again and again and again. I don't care how many times I do it or how high they go. All right? Your question should be, where do I enter my short? All right? Or where's my stop loss limit if I'm a bull? Okay? So that's something you should be considering. Remember, we made new lows every time we tested this guy. We've never tested this previous low. Why? Because it'll fail. So they don't want to do it just yet. They're going to rally on up here and get everybody trying to buy, who's retail, and then smart money's going to come in and just crush you. We've already talked about this in the past. Again, if you look at the indicators and pull up this guy here, right there, this corresponds with major sell volume, and this is the line at which they are confidently shorting it. And every time you bounce up here, they kill you. You bounce up here, they kill you. You bounce up here, they kill you. And guess what? Today, you bounced up there. It's coming. They're going to nail you. You know they're going to because they haven't been doing any of the buying. This is a low volume rally, just as this one was. It failed, just as this one was, just as this one was. Low volume rallies are retail investors. They will get owned. Remember, retail doesn't make money, so they get used. Okay, so when you're being told to go buy by your Uncle Fred and whoever, yeah, I'm telling you, it's absolutely unsustainable. And if you recognize that you have made a series of lower lows, okay, right here, in here, all right here, then you've had a major pullback. It is normal, it is common to grab your Fibonacci tool from the high point to your low point, and you're going to peak at about, oh, there, 61.8%, all right? You're already at the 50% retracement. That's where you start shorting, all right? Now, you're also notice you've got resistance line at the 61.8% retracement. That's where you can short it as well. And you're going to have resistance at this old previous high of 23.41. You've got resistance at this upper Bollinger Band line. You've got the glass ceiling of this 97.36 line. You've got a whole bunch of mess right here if you're a bull, and you should be concerned with it. But this right here, this is an easy way to just look at a chart and say, I don't have to know anything the Christian's talking about. All I got to know is there's a humongous hole there. It's going to fill, okay? It's that simple. It doesn't actually have to be as difficult as people make it out to be, all right? Turn off your news and just look at the chart and say, wait a minute, that's never been sustained before. Why is it going to sustain this time, all right? You see this big hole here? Yeah, see this big hole here? Yeah, going to break down. One more item you should note. Volume faded away today. Stock price advanced. Volume got even weaker, all right? Back down below the average daily volume, okay? This is all retail buying right here. This is nobody with any money. This is money right here, okay? These are the guys that are short and holding that short, and will short you again, okay? Another new development you need to be paying attention to is the high point here, indicated by this red arrow, as well as the new high point is trending higher. Yet the MACD histogram showing momentum is trending lower during that same time period, okay? That's problematic. It means momentum is starting to fade on the move to the upside, and that's a bearish divergence and something you want to be shorting. So you're getting more and more reasons the higher she goes to be a bear and not a bull, okay? And even if you, like I said, even if you were a bull and you said the Christian's wrong, whatever, you can do that. Just you have to even admit that this right here is a problem. That's a humongous hole that's going to fill, and you're going to have to deal with that, okay? Very simple, very cool, and I don't mind being the crazy guy out there in the wilderness telling you that this is not bullish, even though the majority of the news are telling you buy, buy. Yeah, they were wrong back here. All right, they'll be wrong again. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's 100% free right there. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. Man, you can't even see that, man. There it is. Now you can see it. Okay, all we ask in return is refer a friend. 100% free. Help keep us free by subscribing to our YouTube channel. That'd be appreciated. Let's have a look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. Hey, we posted this weekend and this morning 6 new videos in our uh, chart school section of our website, 100% free, of course. And you can check that out. That shows how to spot divergences and using different indicators, stuff like that, from basic to advanced moves. Very cool stuff there. Also, a new article in our blog talking about the worst trading mistake you can make. All right, see you there. God bless. Enjoy the evening. Talk to you tomorrow.